Get ready to get Cobra! Hurt. But not enough! Yes, it's switching!
That was hard, but not enough.
Wait. Stop the fight. That's what I think it is.
What?
Animal adventurers. They're back for more. Let's show them.
Who's boss?
Me, obviously.
Okay, sure.
Well, you haven't defeated us yet. Even with the smoke and explosive, we know it was you, Cobra. Looks like my plan worked. And who stepped on the wire?
Well, at least I did a cool, meter backflip into it. Or something.
Of course it was that dumb tow truck guy.
Yeah, it's always his fault, isn't it? It's all your fault, Meter.
You make me mad!
What? Chungeroo.
A bite!
Seems to be your father.
Chungeroo! Scratch!
Chungeroo whip! Ow!
You better put them back on those costumes before the coppers find out.
Hey, that didn't even make sense!
Yes, it does. Of course it does. Yes, we're winning.
Let's go.
Not anymore. Your beloved Nick.
No! Nick! Chungeroo! Are you okay? Nick, are you okay? Nick, are you okay? Are you okay, Nick? Nick, are you okay? Nick, are you okay?
Are you okay, Nick?
I'm okay, guys. It was just a scratch.
I got something. Love Girl. Oh yeah, I ordered that.
Oh, yeah. It's from Pony Enterprises. That's why it has Pony's face on it. I remember Pony. He was a cool guy, dude.
Oh, but they kicked me out of their team. What? Drink this. It's a yummy thing. Don't do it.
Wait.
It has your favorite milk in it.
I said I'd never drink that. Toss this out.
Get off, you stinky snake. Your friends are gone. It's just me, Chungeroo, and Nick. Chungeroo! Well, in times of doubt, then you got to do your Chungeroo dance. Chungeroo, 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 Chungeroo.
You know what, Dad?
What?
I forgive you. You know what? I love you.
Oh.
Now, Meter!
What's happening?
You know what? I don't even. Why are we even fighting?
Yeah,
Let's
be the bestest of friends.
Let's be the best of friends. Yeah.
What? I thought you betrayed me again. Come on.
It's time for you to go down.
What? Hey.
I can't move. Well, it seems like Meter was always heavy. What? Where is Archie?
Right here. I just got some McDonald's. Okay.
Hey, keep him.
Yes.
Come on, get the police. Oh yeah, you're a police. Arrest him.
Me. Okay, I'll arrest him. Goodbye, Chungeroo. Time to get arrested. Let's go. My son will save me. I know it. My son can strength. He will save me. statement. What? He's just talking random stuff. Okay, guys, let's take him to jail. Go in jail. Ugh. Yahoo! Let's do our dance. Let's go. Chungeroo! 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 Chungeroo!
Oh, guys, I think we were a bit too loud.
Oopsie.
Say, Peter, it's all your fault. What I mean by that, you told me dumb things today.
Okay, I'll call the firefighters to burn down the smoke. Yup, yeah. Okay, hey firefighters, can you burn down the smoke? What? Burn it down. You love burning it down with water. Mater!
1 day later. Whoop, we've done it. Animalia is finally restored. Let's go! Woohoo! We could do this because we're the Animal Adventures and we cannot be stopped.
Anime?
Chungeroo!
Ooh, yeah, dude, my son will get me out of prison. He better.